We are back. Hello guys, welcome back. We're back with a new Dollar Tree haul video. Definitely found some good finds. We got some new collections, new items. So grab a snack, grab a drink, because we're jumping right in. So let's get into it. So the first thing I got is this lime green hand sanitizer case. I don't know why. I don't remember seeing this color ever. So just pick that up. Then finally, we're seeing a restock on my favorite hydrating night lip mask. My favorite thing, of course, these are fantastic. So, got one of those. Then, another quick restock is the liquid bronzer in Macchiato. I love this bronzer, and you don't need a lot of it either. A little goes a long, long way with this. So, we picked that up for my travel bag. Then, finally, I found the new Sash and Chic makeup mirror, and this one, I'm going to take it out of the packaging. This is the brown. How adorable is this new color? Like, yes, please. And these are great for in your purse. So, I got that. Now I'm like in my, all thrown off. Okay, then we got all new LA Color collections. So this is the, I forget what this collection is called, but this is a glossy lip kit, and it is ruffles. And you get a little liner and a little liquid lip. I'm obsessed with this combo, like, yes, please. So we got that one. Then we got, they're glossy lip kits. Did I say matte? I meant glossy. This one is in Dreamy Peach Pink, and this one, Tint Your Lips Pink, which you guys know I love a good lip tint. So we got this one. Then, oh, that's another collection. I'm trying to do all the same collection. Then we got the eyeshadow palette in Garden Party. I'm just obsessed with these colors, honestly. These are so pretty. So we got that. Then, okay, I did get two of the PH ones just because I love PH lip tints. And then, what's this? Oh, this one's in Ruffles just because, again, I love the matte. I mean, the brown. Okay, then we have the glossy lip kit in Bouquet. And this is such a pretty color, too. Like, this collection definitely hit. So, we got that one. Then we got the shimmer highlighter in Yearning, Shimmer and Glow. The packaging is so cute, but look at that shimmer. Can you guys see the glitter? So we got this highlighter, and this can definitely be like a bronzer highlighter duo to me. So we got that, and that's in Yearning. Weird names. Different collection. Then we got the other one in Whimsy, and this to me is more like a real highlighter. See the glitter in that? So there's only two highlighters, so of course we got both of those. Then we got the powder blush duo, which I love, and this is in Vintage Rose. And it's a little tint of glitter. I'm trying to show you guys the glitter. It's kind of hard, but this is a blush duo, so pretty. Then, okay, that is it for what I got from that collection. Then the next collection is the Festival collection. There was a lot of eyeliners that I obviously didn't get, but I did get the Fest Best Champagne Shower Shimmer Highlighter. So this was the only shade in this. So yeah, Dust Till Dawn and Champagne Shower. This one's definitely a little darker, and this one's a little lighter, so there are two of those. So we got that. Then we got some lips. This is Candy Scent, and it is candy lip gloss, and it comes with like a little charm. How cute. So we have that one. Then we have cranberry, strawberry, and then we have vanilla. So then the last thing I got from that collection is the liquid foil pigment for eyes, face, and body, and this is in Daisy Dukes. So I would definitely use this as a highlighter. But that is it. So I did get 2 of the Mother's Day picture frames that are $1.25. So I got this one, it's just like this blue and white, really pretty floral print. I call it floral, paisley, whatever. And then this one is just these really pretty butterflies. So those are the only 2 I got, because the other ones are like $3 and $5. Then we got some new notebooks, and I'm obsessed with these ones. I literally use my one like this all the time, so I was so excited to see different like prints. So this one says "Success is in the details," and it's just the matte black. So it's just blank pages. Then we have this one, and it says "Think, Plan, Achieve." And then this one just says "Notebook," which is kind of iconic. So that's that. So I finally found the Jake Paul body wash, and it is in fresh ice. I got the deodorant and the shampoo and conditioner, and now we just needed the body wash, so we got that, and it smells actually really good. So we got that. Then we got the Spot Ash Skincare Day and Night Moisturizing Mask, and I am a fan of this. Here's what it looks like, just in case no one's ever seen it. Oh, this one is open, so. But anyway, it's the Day and Night Moisturizing Mask. It looks like that. Then we got the Yuzu and Vitamin C Powerhouse Serum by Splash. And if no one's seen that, I'll show you guys that. And it just looks like that. So we got that. Then we got the Control and Delete a Blemish Targeting Body Serum by Body by PTH. So we saw the big top, I forget what it was, but now we got the body serum. I definitely want to get another one of these. I didn't realize it was a body serum. I just saw the brand and got it. But yeah, so we got this. Then I picked up another one of the Nourish Tint Lip Oil in Pinky Promise. We're going to try this out on camera because I'm very curious. Oh, it smells good. So we'll see if it tints, but I definitely like the formula of this, and it smells good. So that's a plus. So then I found the new little sushi acne patches. These are so cute. So we got this set. And then this one is just the piece of pie and little heart. Cute. Then I finally found the big cleansing palette. So it's a makeup brush cleansing palette. Flawless makeup application begins with a clean brush. So there's pink, blue, and purple. I think that's it, yeah. Pink, blue, and purple. But we'll open this because I'm curious to see how big it is. Because there's not really a picture like on thing. Okay, this is nice. So you can like hold it with your hand and clean your brush. This is actually really nice. So yeah, it came in 3 colors. So, but yeah, so that was that bag. But that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a couple different stores. So I hope you guys enjoyed, but definitely comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, what I should be on the hunt for, your favorite items, stuff like that. And definitely don't forget to subscribe and share the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.